Today we got this device. It's Samsung Galaxy A17. This device has a broken screen. You can see it. It's broken from the inside. To open this device, we need to open it from the back. We have a back made from plastic. Let's use the suction cup to start pulling out the plastic back. The suction cup didn't work, so I'm going to use this metal tool to make a gap. Then I will put some alcohol. It's alcohol or alcohol. I don't know. I think in English it's alcohol. Alright, I'm using isopropyl 99.9%. This is a very good adhesive also for PCB. Don't pin too much. We're just making a gap. Be careful. You could scratch or make something damage bent down there. Careful is very important. Alright? The gap should be like a little, and then after that we can use a plastic piece. After we finish putting some alcohol, don't put too much. We don't need that alcohol to leak to the parts. Just a few, that will be enough. I can see the gap now. You can see I didn't use any heat. It's just about some tools with adhesive, with the alcohol, and that's it. We can remove the back without any damage, without any problem, and also maybe fast. The heat could melt the plastic, and this is very, very awful. We could damage that to the customer. You can see after that the back has been removed perfectly and with no scratch. This device is brand new, not brand new, it's used, but it was brand new. I bought it to the customer. He bought it from me, and he's a kid. He broke it after about 1 month, 2 months. So he didn't want to fix it on the company because the warranty can't guarantee the LCD broken. So we will do it for him with the cost. And in this model, it's the Samsung A17. We are going to put the original screen for this device. He asked for original one. It's about the double of the low screen. The low screen, I mean, it's the low cost. Maybe you need to hear what this could cost for the original one. Let's see how it costs to the dollar. Wait a minute. It cost about $80. All right, and for the low cost, it will cost $50. So there is about $30 for the original one. Consider subscribing. Sorry, I was talking about something and I forget to look at the screen. I removed the back and I removed all the screws, also removed the SIM card tray. This is very important. And then we can detach the housing from the frame. You can use your fingers, your nails, or you can use any plastic pieces to do that job. There is too much mosquitoes around me with the... I'm afraid to speak. Maybe some of them go into my mouth. I have the mosquito killer but they are not going into it. I bought it online from local, and it seems it's bad one. It cost about $20, and it was disgusting. It's not doing its job. It's like the bad Chinese made with low cost. No offense for Chinese people, but this one made by them with a low cost. It's not their problem, but they made it with low cost. Our people here in my country, they get these bad stuff and sell it to us, and this is a problem. I don't know why they need to get this stuff and sell it to us. After all, it's bad. It's like it doesn't kill anything at all. From 10, it kill maybe 1, and this is very bad. Also, the Chinese shouldn't have to make the stuff also for bad people who want stuff didn't work. You just give your money for nothing, and this is bad. Also, let's get into our subject. We removed the housing from the back, the housing from the frame. Disconnect the battery. This is the first thing we do, and remove the black screw at the middle of the phone holding the subboard. Alright, you can remove the main board, and be careful with the blue antenna, and there is also black screw holding the subboard. So while both are removed, everything, you can get them together and put it on a sideway. Alright, I removing the connector from the subboard, the screen connector holding on the subboard. Alright, so you have to remove it from the subboard. That's why I'm stuck there. Don't be rush, be what? I don't know the meanings of that. Or not, I don't know, it's not in my mind now. Alright, it's removed. Now we move it. I like it, move it, move it. Alright, it's in the song if you know it. Now we are going to remove the battery. Remove also the down sticker, and then you pull. Don't make that force to pull the battery. We don't need to bend it. It could be dangerous to yourself. So safety is our first deal here. I'm putting some force, but not that force you pull it out in the first what? In the first grab? It's not grab, in the first pull. Fast hard pull. Some of you may start saying that person is learning English in his videos. Alright, it's a joke. The battery has been removed. So, in that one, we need to get the vibration, and that's it. It's all the vibration. This is the original one. You can see that we have a loudspeaker and ear speaker, and also the flex cable, the power button flex cable contains also the volume up and the volume down. So we need just this part, and we can start assembling back. After that, we will finish our video. I'm still here for a few while. I'm going also to mention, you can see it's perfect. Everything it's on there. It's original one. I like this screen. All right, what I was going to mention that the customer came back, or he didn't come back, he called me and told me something inside it's moving. The battery, when I bought the battery, the customer was too hurry to get his phone done. And I forget to put some adhesive under the battery. So I told him, all right, I know what's the problem. The battery, it's not being stuck with something. That's why it's moving and making something move inside. So I told him it's easy. You can just you can came tomorrow or come tomorrow, and I can fix it for you. It's also for free. I did that. It's my fault. It's not a problem, but it's a problem for the customer. Something is moving, and every time he shake the phone. All right, this is the sticker, so we can put the screen connector in its place on the subboard. All right, so and I didn't. He came today. This screen has been replaced in the 27 of April 2026. All right, I get it done. And the customer came in the 28th of April 2026. It's maybe the first time speaking the numbers and the calendar. All right, so I got some time to spell it out. All right, put the housing, put all the screws, connect the watch, the fingerprint flex cable, and that's good. You can finish this video and making a perfect work for the customer. You can put, I open the pack and I put something in this side of the battery. You can see there's a gap. I put some adhesive and that's it. I didn't have to open all the housing to do that. It's from this side. All right, everything has been told. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget our merchandise. If you think it's not beautiful, just let me know. Maybe I do something better for them.